Hey guys, we are back again with another video. This video is all about Elac rechargeable fan. It's actually a 14-inch 5-speed rechargeable fan and it runs without current. So let's see the specifications right here. It's a rechargeable fan and it has 5-speed. Actually, its battery is 12 volt 5 amps and it's sealed a lead acid rechargeable battery. Charge time is around 8 to 12 hours. The duration is written here, you can focus on it. The duration is on first speed it runs around 60 hours, second speed 20 to 25 hours, third speed 9 hours, fourth speed 5 hours and 5 speed 3.5 hours. So let's open this pack. This is the box contents. Just a second guys. So guys, the first thing you got to do is take this motor and you'll see the back panel. So you got to activate the battery. So how it is done is like you got to just put this thing inside this. Just see this. Okay. Now place the battery inside. Just a minute. Okay. Now we gotta close this. Just a second. And you gotta tighten this up. And here are the screws. Just fasten these screws. Okay. Now the next thing you want to do is take this and you will see this. You got to put this thing inside this. Put this thing inside this. And here. You gotta firmly lock this inside. Just a second guys. Guys, put this thing inside this and you see the holes. Okay, now we got to do is take this and connect into this. That's done. Okay, now put this thing. Yep, done. Now you got to do is, so press this inside this and this thing. Okay, now we got to do is take the screws outside. This bolt nut will go inside this. Okay, now tighten this with this. Hold this, take a screwdriver, tighten this with like this. So you see the bolt nut is inside this. Okay, now let's go with the fan. Take this screw, small screw, and you gotta tight in this thing. Okay. Done. Now let's go with the fan. First you gotta do is put this thing backside of the fan. So you will see the marker here. So tighten this with this. And take the blades, just put this inside. Got this. You gotta tighten this. Just turn it in the opposite direction. It's done. Now we gotta take the belt and fix it like this. There are two sides, so one for this side and one for another side. So put this like this. Just a second. Yep. So there are two holes. One will go for this and one will go for that. And you take this pan, just fix it like this, and you gotta tighten this with a screwdriver. Now here you go guys, the fan is all done. Now I'll operate this fan. It got 5 speed. There's a light option and it can also oscillate. So thank you guys for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe. We'll be back again with a new video. Peace.